Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get a free month of Discord Nitro through GearUP. If you don't know what GearUP is, it is a great way to increase your connection and as well as to reduce your ping while playing video games. And a lot of people do use this software to do that and to achieve smoother gaming. And just a few days ago, they released a new promotion where they are giving away Discord Nitro completely free to all GearUP users. And by the way, this is not a paid requirement to get this free month of Discord Nitro. All you have to do is simply install GearUP. And I'm going to be showing you how to do that today in today's video and how to claim your Discord Nitro. So, starting from April 22nd, today is the 28th. And this will be going all the way until June 3rd of 2026. So it will be active for quite some time. So you'll have a bunch of time to actually claim this offer. Now, quickly, just a few things I want to go over here. Firstly, requirements. It says claim up by June 3rd, as well as says redeem in your Discord account by July 3rd. So you can redeem it later after you claim it. As well as, of course, it says after the 1 month period, your Nitro subscription will convert into a monthly recurring subscription. This is completely normal for any type of free Nitro that Discord has ever given away. It always signs you up for a subscription, but you could cancel that right after you get it for free. So you don't have to pay anything at all. But that is completely normal. But I always have to point that out just so you don't accidentally get charged for no reason. And just quickly, if you don't know what GearUP is, it says GearUP is an intelligent network optimization tool that uses artificial intelligence to analyze network traffic in real time. And by connecting through the optimal network path, it lowers ping and reduces latency, thereby improving the smoothness of online gameplay. So essentially, it lowers your ping, increases your FPS, and makes your gameplay a lot more smoother. And that is why a lot of people use GearUP while they are playing games. So of course you're probably wondering how to actually get it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to this link that I'll have in the description below, or you can copy it up here, which is gearupbooster.com/discord. You're going to go to this site and it should look something like this. Now once you're on this site, all you're going to do is click on the download option. It'll be in the top right here, and you're going to click on that and it'll download the exe file to actually install the app. So we have the exe file here. We are going to install it. I've already installed it actually, but you're going to install it here through this portal. And the very first thing, when you actually open the app, it'll show you all the games that you actually have currently installed. And as you can see, we can see my currently installed games. You have Rocket League, Warframe, Fortnite, Destiny 2, etc., etc. And because I have these games installed, I could choose to boost them. But before I could show any of that off, we have to quickly sign into our account. Now, there's 3 types of sign-in methods. You could either use Facebook, Discord, or Google. In this case, we're going to be using our tutorial Discord account. So we're going to do that. By clicking on that, it'll bring you to the Discord Authy page here, and it'll just ask you for access to your account, basically. And then you're just going to click on the Authorize button down here, and you'll be signed in to your account on the app. And now that we're signed in, we can see all of our games once again. And if we did want to boost Rocket League, for example, we could choose to boost it. Then you'll choose the server, which I play on US East, and then we'll just let it do its thing, and it'll start boosting your game. And as you can see, GearUP is now boosting and tracking Rocket League, and we can actually see our estimated ping here, as well as we can see it says GearUP has reduced 9 ms of your game ping. So it shows your, what your estimated regular ping would be, as well as it shows you an active packet loss update on the percentage. It says GearUP has just reduced 1% of your packet loss. So depending if you do have packet loss currently, or if you're in a match and you have packet loss, GearUP will automatically reduce that by a percentage. As well as you can see here, we have a sort of a tracker here showing the your packet loss and your ping in the recent time frame. As well as it also says here, game server locating. So it'll wait until you join a match to locate a game server, and it'll continue tracking and lowering your ping and packet loss from there. As well as at the top here, it shows your best server region. For me, it would be US East. As well as at the bottom here, we have some game tools here, and these are some certain things such as net stats overlay. For example, if you wanted to add that, you could add an overlay to your actual game. And if you turn on the net stats overlay here, it'll actually show the ping and the packet loss in the top right while you are playing the game. Alright, so now that you know how GearUP works and how that actually affects your gameplay, I'm going to show you how to actually get the Discord Nitro. So all you're going to do is you're going to see the actual partner sort of banner here on the bottom when you're at the top of the screen, and it'll say official partner perk exclusive 1 month of Discord Nitro on us. And all you're going to do is you're going to click on that, and once you click on that, it'll say reward claimed, like this. So we'll have this nice little badge here. It says reward claimed. It says your 1 month trial of Discord Nitro is ready. And it says the expiration date is June 9th for me. That's because I claimed it early, but obviously if you claimed it, right at the end, then that's why it would take until July to actually redeem it. And now that it's claimed, we can click on the redeem on Discord button, and this will link you to the actual free Nitro. So we're going to click on this here, and it'll open up in Google. And we can see here, we have the promotional code here. And now it says, you got 1 month of Discord Nitro. And it also says 16 plus Discord perks are all yours. Enjoy. It says we are already signed in, so make sure you're signed into the right Discord account before you actually claim. And then you're going to click on next. And now you have to add your payment method. So this is just a normal thing with any free Nitro that Discord offers. You do have to add your payment method to add it to your Discord account. Now, I do not need Nitro on this account currently, so I will not be claiming it. But simply, you'll just add your payment method, and you'll just simply continue, and you will get the month of Nitro for completely free. Now, just to show you how to actually cancel the subscription, if you'd like to cancel it, you're going to go to your user settings in the bottom left here. Then you're going to go down to subscriptions, and you're going to see your subscription here. And all you're going to do is you're going to click on cancel. Now, I'm not going to cancel my subscription because I have the yearly, but you'll just click on cancel and it'll cancel your subscription. It will not take away your Nitro that you currently have, but it'll just make sure that you will not pay for it on the next month's renew. But anyways, though, guys, that is how you get a free month of Discord Nitro through GearUP. Now, I highly recommend that you do try GearUP while you're playing games, as the boosting option does make your gameplay a lot smoother and reduces your ping as well as increases your FPS because it chooses the best network for your gameplay. So once again, make sure to go up to gearupbooster.com/discord or just click the link in the description and make sure to download GearUP from there, as well as to claim your free Nitro perk from GearUP itself and enjoy that as well. And make sure to get their membership, as their membership allows you to boost as many games as you like for completely free and increase the quality of your gameplay as well as the smoothness and FPS. But anyways, though, guys, that will be a wrap to this tutorial. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and hopefully you did get your free Discord Nitro through GearUP. As well as if you have any questions about this or any issues with it, please leave a comment in the comment section below, or join my Discord server, which is also linked in the description below, and go down to the support chat and ask me there, because I would love to help you out if you have any issues with that. That being said, that is a wrap to this tutorial. Please subscribe. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers, and once we hit 4,000 subscribers, I will be giving away 3 months of Discord Nitro to 3 different winners. So make sure to join the server, subscribe, and make sure you are ready for my next Nitro giveaway. But anyways, though, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next Discord tutorial. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.